How to render HTML code using JavaScript. Rendering HTML through JavaScript means you can dynamically build or update a web page's content without reloading it. This is especially useful for interactive pages, single-page applications, or situations where content changes often. Instead of hard-coding everything in your HTML file, you write JavaScript that creates elements, assigns attributes, and appends them to the document. This is often triggered by user interaction, server responses, or page load events. Using JavaScript this way means your page can update on the fly, without requiring a full refresh. It's commonly used in frameworks and libraries, but also very effective with pure JavaScript. For example, you might want to show a pop-up after clicking a button, or add a new list item dynamically. JavaScript allows you to create those HTML elements as needed. It improves speed, flexibility, and user experience. If you're aiming to make your web pages more dynamic and responsive, mastering this technique is essential.